Welcome to my Abracam 138 3F review. I am very impressed with this matte box. I am a former owner of the bright Tangerine Misfit Atom matte box. It is a good matte box, but it has its limitations. When I used the bright Tangerine Misfit Atom, I mostly shot on the Fujinon MK series, and they were a great fit. I could do 2 different ND filters. I could do 1 ND and 1 diffusion filter. If it was a more light controlled scenario, I could do 2 diffusion filters. I've been in a lot of scenarios where I get the request for 2 diffusion filters, and now I'm able to offer that with ND. One great thing about the Abracam series is that 3F. So my model can do 3 4x5/6 filters. This is a huge thing to be able to do ND and 2 diffusion filters. So I recently did a shoot where we were filming for Netflix. We were using some very sharp, kind of modern looking lenses. It was the Pride special for Netflix, so we ended up using a rainbow streak filter and a Hollywood Blackmagic. So these stacked filters meant that I will only have one option for ND, and we planned on going outside with the very end of the shot. So I would have to balance or do an iris pull. We bounced between a lot of different scenarios, so this matte box just allows me to be a lot more flexible and solve a lot more problems on set. Another really nice feature about this matte box is that even with side flags, it's incredibly light. The bright Tangerine was light, but it only could do a top flag. So now I can really control the light going into my lens. Another feature of the side flags is that they come with a Velcro strip, where I put a lot of filter tags where it's easy to see what's in the matte box without actually looking at the filters. Camera settings. Another huge feature, and one of the big selling points of this matte box for me, was that it had a 138mm round filter tray. So being able to put round diopters or circular polarizers using a wheel they have on the top, it's a lot more functional. You can even build your own fader ND. You can darken or brighten your shot using 2 polarizers. Another cool feature of the matte box is that it has an ejector button. You can get a little extra help removing the filter from the matte box. I really like that this feature over the bright Tangerine offers a quick release button for mounting and removing the lens when you're quickly changing between lenses or popping it off to change filters sometimes. The quick release button gives me so much more speed on set. If you're not wanting to work with the top and side flags, it has a hood which is a lot smaller and easy to work with if you're more doing close-ups or gimbal work. The functionality of the Abracam makes it an easy choice over any other matte box option. And a recent thing I've invested in is the Abracam 6x6 matte box. This matte box allows 6x6 filters and larger round filters, which I have a step-down ring so I can do 138 round filters. I quickly pop diopters and 6x6 filters. I even have a 6x6 to 4x5/6 step-down, so I even use this as a B matte box to my A matte box when I'm doing 2 camera sets, and I use 2 Abracams on set. I'm glad I introduced you to this matte box, and I'm excited for you to learn more about it. Thank you for watching this review.